Today, I'll walk you through how to edit a WordPress website with Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your website's appearance so you can create a stunning online presence. To get started, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the page you want to edit and click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same, just follow along. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, the first step is to type in your title. Click on the title area and simply enter the text you want to display. This is like setting the foundation for a house. It's essential for what comes next. Next, let's enhance the visual appeal of your title. Click on the Style tab located in the left panel. This is where you can adjust various styling options to make your title stand out. Think of this as choosing the paint color for your walls. It sets the tone for the entire room. Once you're in the Style tab, you'll want to click on Typography. Here, you can modify the font style, size, and weight. This is similar to picking the right furniture for your space. The right typography can make your content more inviting and readable. Now let's change the font style. In the typography settings, select a font that resonates with your brand. This is your chance to express your personality. Choose wisely. After setting your font style, it's time to change the color. Still in the Style tab, look for the color settings and pick a color that complements your overall design. Just like choosing the right accessories for an outfit, the right color can elevate your entire look. Next, click on the Advanced tab. This section allows you to add additional features like margins and padding. Think of this as rearranging the furniture to create a more spacious feel in your room. It can make a huge difference. Now let's change an image on your page. Click on the image element you wish to modify. This is where you can showcase your brand or product visually. Images are powerful tools for storytelling, so choose one that aligns with your message. Finally, click on Select to upload a new image from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. This is the finishing touch that can really bring your page to life. Congratulations, you've successfully edited your WordPress website with Elementor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different settings. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.